it's Tony, your Pop Pop's Workshop. Today we're talking about one of the some of the first projects we did in the shop. I had limited wood species, but we had some maple, we had some purple heart, which is kind of brown, but I like that color in it. So we made these as probably a second batch or third batch that we've done of these. I can't keep track now. We like the nice thin profile. Maybe you want it chunky, but that's the beauty of these. You can make them with scraps. They're not that big. In fact, let's find out. I've forgotten since I made them how big they are. So we're looking at about 10 inches long and 3.5 inches wide. So 10 by 3.5, you can make them any size you want. We find that's appropriate size to for this particular bottle. It keeps the glasses away so that they're on there and don't do too much clattering, but that allows for that. Now, if you had bigger bottles you were working with, you can make these a little longer, a little wider. Really, it's up to you. And these are, in fact, the perfect, what, Nana?
Oh, hostess gift.
Perfect hostess gift. So
often I don't know, we get invited to over someplace and I don't know what to take them as a thank you. This is the perfect thing.
right here. So not that difficult to make. You can make them out of a lot of different species. Maybe you like a lot of stripes in there. One thing that I want to try is running an angled pattern, running some stripes in there at an angle just to break it up visually a little bit. But it's really like a nice hostess gift. So you can make these thicker, thinner. I've seen where the slots for the wine glasses come in at an angle on each side instead of straight on from the end. We have these holes all centered so I can chuck up one bit and drill them all at the same time. But you can make these smaller because really you're just getting the stem of the wine glass in there. I did it because it was just easier for me to do it that way. But you can do it any way you want. So a lot of variety there. Again, it makes a great gift for friends, family. You're going somewhere you don't know what to bring them. Well, a little time in the workshop and you got something to bring. So one of those easy projects that you can get into your workshop fairly easily. So hopefully you're having a great day. We are. And hopefully you're out there in the shop making something. Remember, you can do this.